Okay, container, how to Docker container, Docker PS. It should show what are the images running in the Docker container. There is no images right now running in this. Okay, what are the previous images? It was running Docker PS minus A. That also does not have anything there. So now let's look for the, let's start the container now and see how it behaves. Before we do the final thing, we will do 2 times. Okay, now Docker container start server 1. Okay, so now the server 1 should be started now. Let's see, start the server 2 also, and server 3 and server 4. So we started all the servers, so we will look for the Docker servers running in what status now. Yeah, all 4 Docker servers are running, and let me test it out, the SSH login, SSH, and it will do login as a test user at server 1. So you successfully logged in. Since I have deployed this already in the servers for testing, so let me remove the passwordless login on these servers. Okay, so cd dot you are in the home directory, yeah, it's right. Cd dot ssh, always there will be one hidden directory called dot ssh. Ls minus, okay, just look, LA means you will give the what are the keys, basically hidden files, or in the Linux is ls minus la you have to use. That's ls minus l. You may not see all the files since you are in the .sh. Okay, for example, you are back here. You are in which directory now? Home test. ls minus l. That means you just see normal. There's no files in this. But you put ls minus la. You see there are some profile files with the dot files. We can see ls minus la command. So cd dot ssh and look for the file authorized keys. Now right now I already added the authorized keys on this file, so I will try to let's look on the authorized keys in this file. See, there is an authorized key already added, so let me remove this authorized key so that you can again add it back through automation tool. Okay, so emptying the file, in Linux, device /null cd.ssh, and then remove the authorized key on this also, so that okay, and exit now, and server 4, same thing, can do the remove this. It's, I think something wrong here. You're done. See, you have created a file here, right? Because it's you have to be see, we already delete this file. Minus f. You have to be in cd.sh, and then if you run this one, you get nullified. Yeah, you have to test this also. After that, you log in and check always better. It's asking for a password. Yes, right, good. So it is set up properly. Our objective is later to make it we should not ask password. That's what we are going to do. Yeah, server 3 also is fine. Exit now, and server 2, and this is also yeah, it's good. So all servers are ready with this. Okay, we can stop this one and we will start it in the next thing. And okay, we will do a dry run on this. dry run is to just to verify how things are working here. So now I will so on this Mint server, local server, I need to have that file for deployment. Okay, what the file which has to be put on the server need to be available, and that has to be deployed. Inventory. Oh, sorry, I think it's the directory is in which unusable. Yeah, that's right. And we have a directory for inventory. Yes, key deploy. Okay, let's me open up this file. Let us key deploy. So inventory file and remote user is root, and then we are going to deploy this.